All right, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm out again, so I just wanted to give you these instructions so you guys know what you're doing today in class. Okay, this is going to be due at the end of the day on the following class. Okay, so today we're going to be working with Extrude. You're going to click on Extrude in the module, and then as usual, you're going to click on the Extrude workbook. All right, you're going to make a copy. Make sure that you're getting your name up in the document. So it should be your name, day 3 extrude, or your name extrude. Make sure that you're moving that into your design folder. Okay, so task A, you're just going to start off by reading this short couple sentences about what extrusions are, and then you're going to go ahead and finish the sentence, extrusions are, and then explain in your own words what they are. Okay. After you do that, you're going to log into Onshape. Okay, you are going to look at the Extrude tool. So I have a video here that shows you how to use the Extrude tool. And then you are going to go ahead and make these tasks. So you're going to have to do 3 different files here. One, you're going to do a 5x5 cube. One, you are going to do a cylinder with these measurements. And then you're going to extrude a triangle. And notice there are no size constraints on that. Okay, and so right here, I'm going to start with my 5x5 cube. I'll show you how to do that really quick. So I'm going to sketch on my front. I'm going to hide all of my planes because I don't need to see that anymore. I'm going to click on front and I can start off. To make a 5x5 cube, we're going to start by making a 5" by 5" square. Okay, once you have a 5" by 5" square, you're going to go finish your sketch. I'm going to change it to my 3D view by clicking on this corner here. And then I'm going to use the Extrude tool. Okay, if you need more instructions about how to use the Extrude tool, please watch that Extrude video. But I'm going to click on the surface I want to extrude. Okay, it's going to new, face of sketch. You can see it's coming out at a depth of 1, but if I want it to be a cube, since it's a 5x5 square, I'm going to extrude it by a depth of 5 and hit enter. I'm going to go ahead and hit that check mark. And notice that now I have a 5x5 cube. And so I can take a screenshot of that. And I'm going to put that right here. Okay. The next one will be a cylinder. So I'm just extruding a circle of 3 inches to a length of 6. And so to quickly do that, how about I'm just going to delete that. Go back into my sketch. I'm going to go ahead and delete my square. And you can just make a new file if you want. It's up to you. But I need a 3-inch diameter circle. So I'm going to click, type in 3. Okay, I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to go ahead and extrude that. And I think the directions told you 6 inches. Okay, I'm going to hit my check mark, and there's my cylinder with 6-inch length. Take a screenshot, put that in here. And then I'm going to create an extruded triangle. And so that one I'm just going to let you do on your own. I'm just going to go into my sketch, draw a triangle of any type, and then extrude it. Okay. During your asynchronous time, you are going to create a 3D object of your choice. Okay. And so these are the rules that you have to follow here, your constraints. It has to start as a 2D sketch. So create a 2D sketch. You're then going to extrude it to make it 3D. And then you have to add 4 more extrusions onto it. And one of the extrusions must cut into the object. So if I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Okay. You're going to sketch on a plane. Maybe this will be a square, right? Now I'm done with my sketch. Now when I extrude this, I can hit remove instead. You notice now that goes in. I can go all the way through. I can just go in by an inch. that doesn't really matter as long as I'm seeing that you're removing part of it from your shape here. Okay, and so that's what you got to do. When you're done, take a screenshot, and you're going to be submitting it in there. And this is your asynchronous time. So if you have any questions, I should be back by the next class, hopefully. And then we can discuss any issues that we're having using Autodesk Inventor.